Kama Ayurveda Rose Lip Balm. Our skin and hair are not only the victim of dust, dirt, pollution, harmful sun rays, our lips suffer too, but we hardly pay any attention to them. Dry and chapped and darkened lips are few of the effects that we all hate. Over the few years, I have learned importance of investing in a good lip balm. Before I was using Vaseline lip balm on my lips, and after reading the disadvantages of Vaseline, I switched to Nivea, and then I kept on hopping from one lip balm to another lip balm, from brand to brand. So then when I saw this lip balm, quickly added it into my cart without even giving it a second thought. A rich, natural, moisturizing lip balm made with organic almond oil, castor oil, blended with organic beeswax, cocoa butter for intense nourishment, leaves my lips soft and hydrated. The first thing which I noticed, or should I say loved, about this lip balm was its yummy, delicious, rosy fragrance. It smells yummy. And the second thing which I loved about this amazing ingredient list, it contains almond oil, castor oil, wheat gram oil and beeswax, cocoa butter and rose extracts. It feels as if I'm using some luxurious royal product. It comes in small round box with black lid on top. The lip balm feels like a butter when you apply it on your lips. You can directly just apply with your fingertips. It has been few months since I'm using this lip balm and difference are quite noticeable. My lips look much more healthy and soft than before. It has completely cured my dryness and flakiness. In fact, this has lightened my pigmentation to an extent. I hope if I continue using it for few more months, my pigmentation will get reduced by 50%. Here's to hoping. But as we say, there are always two sides of the coin. I'm not sure about the pigmentation, but it has worked for a friend of mine and then for my mother. So I would suggest not to buy this just for the sole purpose of depigmentation. Though it has so many qualities, but it has few drawbacks too. The major drawback is absence of SPF. It doesn't have any SPF, which makes it unsuitable for those who apply lip balm and just walk out of the house without any prepping. Another thing which I hate about it is unhygienic top packaging. All top packaging are unhygienic for me. Every single time I need to dip my finger into a top to use this product, which is an open invitation. Why can't I ever say it? Open invitation for bacteria. Overall, it's an effective lip balm which shows amazing result. I'm totally, deeply, completely in love with this. Finally, I have found my holy grail lip balm. It repairs and heals your lip without causing any damage, and it contains the organic ingredients. You don't need to worry about any side effect. I'm just loving this Ayurvedic lip balm. Let's quickly go over pros and cons of this product. Pros of this lip balm: it has lovely warm fragrance, effectively repairs dry and chapped lips, makes lips soft and healthy, doesn't leave whitish cast on lips, and doesn't feel waxy or heavy on the lips. It stays for about 3 to 4 hours maximum. That's what I feel like. And it helps in lightening lip pigmentation, but that's something I'm not 100% sure about. It has natural organic ingredient list, and only a small amount is needed for a single use. Coming to cons of this rose lip balm, it comes in a top packaging, unhygienic. It doesn't contain SPF. Availability of this is another issue, but then again you can order it online. Would I repurchase this Kama Ayurvedic lip balm? Though I am loving it a lot, I am not going to repurchase it next time, because I'm going to try almond one from Kama itself. So it's because I love this one, I wanted to try another one. It retails for about 550 rupees something to such a stick. It's gone on the sticker, but I'll show it somewhere here on the screen. It's somewhere around 550 to 600 rupees.